Hello guys, today we are gonna do an art journal page. So I have already transferred the image and painted with watercolors of Jane Davenport. And now I will be doing the background because I think is the most important for you because you have a lot of options for focal points. But if you really want me to share with you the process of the painting, the focal point, just let me know because I have it recorded. But I take it out because it was a very long video. So I am doing just a circle hand drawing without very precision. It's just a circle with watercolor. And this is not super important because it's gonna be just the first layer of the background. And here I bought these oil crayons of Bic, which are very interesting because they dry and they don't transfer anything. So in difference of another oil crayons that they made like transfer, this one is just perfect because it dries and you don't have any worries about the transfer of the oil. So it's interesting because I used to use them when I was a child and now I discovered it again and I absolutely love it. The only thing is that they don't have too many colors, but it's perfect, especially this jumbo size to do this mark making. So now I have drawn some leaves, first of all with pencil, and now I am painting them with alcohol markers. And I love them, these alcohol markers, because they have like two different tips, one the regular one and then a brush one, which I love. And it's just repeating the motif to have like a pattern, but not a regular one. I'm just trying to have different sizes and different colors. And I really enjoy this type of pages, which is only drawing, and because I absolutely loved to do it because I relax a lot, and this is what I just needed. And here I am using an acrylic marker, but in the end I will change this area and you will see it at the end of the video. Now I am using again the big crayons to do like freehand mark making. I didn't draw anything here, I'm just improvising a little, just filling in the space. You can always draw it in pencil first and then color it as you wish. But I like the spontaneity of the mark making. Now the sentiment, I have a second-hand book, and so I use that. And I wanted to give some texture on the background, so I am using this stamp of set after and also on the secondary page. And I will be doing also some journaling on the secondary page. And then I thought it was finished, but the next day I took a look at it and I did some things like more mark making, collage on it, and more contrast on the hair. Did the secondary page, and now for me it's finished. So I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, follow me in my social media, and see you next time, guys. Bye.